you, David? How did you start it, and like, what did you do in the initial stages of your business?
So one of the things that surprised me, because I don't come from a manufacturing background, was the rather incredible upfront cost for what's called tooling. We're making these large metal parts that will ultimately make the food grade plastic parts that people have in their living room to grow with. So knowing that I didn't have that kind of money, there were kind of two things that I could do. I could look for investors and right off the bat sort of give up a large portion of the company, or I could consider something like a Kickstarter, which is what we did. And we ended up raising about $250,000 on Kickstarter, which was a wonderful success. We hired some professionals to do that with us. And the way that it started, of course, was just marketing the concepts to people and determining, is this something that people want? And when we got past that level and we found out, yeah, this is something that people wanted, what we started to do is we started to charge them $1 and say, are you willing to open up your wallet and actually give us $1 to get, our promotional pricing? And the more people who are doing that, the more people they're not just clicking on their link and giving you their email address, they're actually giving you solid information to say, yeah, we intend to purchase. And so when we discovered that these people were willing to purchase, and of course, alternatively, if they did not decide to purchase or if we did not decide to go forward, we would have given them their money back. But once we found out that there was a significant number of people who were interested in products like this, we went forward with the Kickstarter video and all of those things, and that gave us the capital to move forward with the tooling. And today, of course, we're focused on Facebook marketing, affiliate marketing, things like that, which I can go into more detail on. But that was how we started.
Wonderful. Excellent. So high cost initially, but I think that's good to know that you managed to pull that up through a Kickstarter campaign. And that speaks volume, because I think when people are contributing to your ideas, I think that's a big validation of the demand for your product, and that's you have already built your customer base and that awareness and outreach right from the very early stages. Excellent.